Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the exact battery type, 9V, AA pack, or CR2032, because using the wrong cell can damage the lock. Once done, grab a flat screwdriver, gloves, and a voltmeter or small LED to test old cells. Make sure you have the replacement battery on hand and the mechanical override key or code available in case the electronic lock resets. Open the battery compartment carefully. You should see polarity markings and clips that hold the pack in place. You now remove the old battery, press the release tab, or gently pry the retaining clips without bending contacts. While removing, be deliberate. Note or photograph the polarity orientation and how cables route to the connector so you can reconnect exactly. If the battery is a pack, slide it straight out. If cells are held by clips, release each one carefully. Test the removed battery with a voltmeter to confirm failure. Then place used cells in a secure container for proper recycling. You install the new battery by aligning polarity and seating the connector firmly. Make sure the pack sits flat and clips snap into place. Once closed, restore power and immediately test the electronic functions. Keypad illumination, beeps, motorized lock movement, and mechanical override key operation. If the safe doesn't respond, first reopen and recheck polarity and connector seating, then inspect for a blown fuse or corrosion. If problems persist, try a manual reset per the manual. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.